We have real-life images of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, courtesy of the great leaker Ice Universe. The images were taken on a subway and they showed the beautiful waterfall display and other design choices of the Mate 30 Pro. I am Keno and this is Anchor Tech. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. The Mate 30 Pro will be the first device to feature the waterfall display, which is the bezel-less display 2.0. As you can see, the display has an almost 90-degree curve at both sides, creating a really beautiful looking device. But the same might not be said about the usability of the phone with such steep curves, and it might not be very functional because the screen bends so much to the sides that when you hold the phone, your hand is still going to make contact with the screen and might create some accidental touches. But of course, Huawei should have some sort of palm rejection baked into the software, so it should be able to tell accidental touches from intentional interactions, similar to how Samsung has refined its edge screen's palm rejection over time. Also, if you look at this image closely, the user is reading something, but some of the text is on the side of the screen and out of sight of the user. This might be an issue with such a display, but nevertheless it's a small one. The device is hidden in a case, so we don't get to see what the design actually looks like before the device launches. But there is no hiding that beautiful display. It's almost all screen on the front, except for the notch. But Huawei uses Face ID on its Mate series, so the notch houses the hardware for that technology. I'm really surprised to see the power button on the side, despite such a curve on the display. So it's safe to assume the volume button will also be on the metal frame. Looking at the top of this hideous case, there's a hole that looks like the size of a headphone jack.
We found something. A chance, maybe.
Don't.
Show 'em what?
Don't give me hope.
It kinda looks like it, but I don't think Huawei is bringing it back, so don't get your hopes up. On the back, the weird case is covering the camera, but thanks to case makers, we now know for sure that Huawei is adopting a circular camera layout as opposed to the square setup on the Mate 20 series, which by the way looks a lot better than what Apple is doing with the square layout. The flash on the Mate 30 Pro is gonna be vertical on the left side of the camera setup, which is expected to be a quad camera setup just like the P30 Pro, with the addition of a fourth time of flight sensor for better bokeh in photos and videos. The battery capacity is expected to be 4,500 mAh on the Mate 30 Pro and 4,200 mAh on the Mate 30. Which shouldn't be a surprise because Huawei phones are known for packing big batteries and having amazing battery life, and the Mate 30 series wouldn't be an exception to that tradition. Let me know in the comment section below if I missed any information about the Mate 30 series, and also let me know what you think about the phones. Like if you enjoyed the video and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.